how to wrap chains around guns and other objects in Blender. Do Shift-A and go to Curve, then go to Curve Spirals, and select Archer Median. Click on the black box that pops up in the bottom left corner, then copy these settings. Now click Tab to get out of edit mode, then hide the spiral by clicking the eyeball icon next to it. Now we will make our chain link. Start by going into the top view mode by clicking the blue Z here. Do Shift-A and go to Mesh, then click on Torus. Click on the black box that pops up in the bottom left corner, then copy these settings. Now enable the X-ray mode in the top right corner. Then select half of the torus. Now extrude it to the right by clicking E, then Z, and then move your cursor to the right until you have a chain link shape. Select the chain link shape, then right-click it and select Shade Smooth. Now rotate it on the Y-axis by 90 degrees. Now click Shift-D, then left-click once to duplicate it. Then click G, then Z to move it up on the Z-axis like so. Now rotate it on the Z-axis by 90 degrees. Then move it up a little to have a little space between each link. Now select both links by clicking one link, then holding Shift and clicking the other one. Then click Ctrl-J on your keyboard to combine them. Now set all rotation values to 0. Go back into top view mode. Then go to the blue Modifiers tab. And add an array modifier Turn up the count to 87 for now. Hold Shift and click and drag the factor X value to the left until it starts looking like a connected chain link. Now we can unhide our spiral. Then make sure the chain link is selected. Then click S to scale it down. Now, position the beginning of the chain link with the beginning of the spiral at the bottom. Now do Ctrl-A and click Rotation and Scale. Now click the Add Modifier tab again, then add a Curve modifier. Click the eyedropper icon in the Curve object box, then click on our spiral. You can now turn down the array count a little so it fits on the spiral. Now you can import your gun model. I already had mine here, I just had it hidden. Then select both our spiral and chain link. Then click S to make them smaller to apply on our gun. With the spiral and chain link selected, use the rotation tool and click and hold the green line. Then click and hold Control to rotate it every 5 degrees until you get to 90. Now use the Move tool. Then use the red arrow to move it along the X-axis to align it to wrap around the gun barrel. Then use the Resize tool to make it fit as best as you can. Now click only on the curve spiral, and click Tab to go in edit mode. Now click and use the vertice dots to move certain parts of the chain to make it fit. I like to make my chains fit as close as possible on the gun, but it is your personal preference. Also, this part can take a while if you are a perfectionist like me. If you want to select multiple vertex dots at once, click a vertex, then hold Shift and click another one. If you have too many chain links at the end, click on the chain link, then go to the Modifier tab, and in the Array tab, turn down the count. And then apply both the Array modifier and Curve modifier. Now you can delete the spiral curve and combine the chain link to the gun by clicking the chain link, then clicking the gun and doing Ctrl-J on your keyboard.